In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a clean professional website for your service-based business using GoHighLevel, even if you have zero design experience. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and we're going to walk through step-by-step how to create a simple coaching website complete with service pages, a booking calendar, and a contact form. We're going to follow along so you can have your site up and running by tonight. Let's get into it. So first off, what is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel is an all-in-one business tool built for coaches, consultants, service providers, and agencies who want to run their business online without juggling 10 different platforms. It's like the back-end control panel of your entire business. With GoHighLevel, you can build your website, create sales funnels, set up a full calendar system with automated bookings, collect leads with forms, run email and text campaigns, track your sales pipeline, even host full courses or client memberships. Instead of trying to switch together something like Wix, Calendly, MailChimp, Google Sheets, and Kajabi, GoHighLevel just brings it all into one dashboard. It's especially powerful for service-based businesses like health coaches or anything similar because you're not just showcasing your brand, you're capturing leads, booking calls, and moving people through your process without needing a tech team. Before we dive into the tutorial, here's why GoHighLevel works so well for building a service-based website. Number one is the drag and drop website builder. There's no code, which means no frustration. Just drag, drop, and customize. You can build your homepage, about page, services, blog, and more using pre-built blocks. Number two is the built-in calendar and booking tool. This is one of the biggest wins. You can set up multiple calendars for different offers like free consults, coaching calls, or workshops. You choose your availability, add buffer times, and sync it to your email. Number three is fully mobile responsive. Everything you build in GoHighLevel automatically adapts to mobile and tablet screens. So whether someone's on their laptop or checking your site on their phone, it's going to look good and function correctly. Number four is lead capture forms and pipelines. You can build forms to collect leads on your contact page, booking page, or even through pop-ups. Once someone fills out a form, they can get added to your CRM, tagged with custom labels like discovery, call booked, and moved through an automated follow-up sequence. Number five, automations and follow-ups. This is where it really shines. You can build automated workflows that send emails, texts, or even assign tasks when someone takes an action on your site. If you want to get started with GoHighLevel and follow along with this tutorial, I've left our link in the description below, and you can get started with a free trial. Once you click that link, you'll want to click 14-day free trial. Then you'll want to add in your company name, your full name, email address, and phone number. And then it will just ask you which plan you want to go with and set up a password. I just wanted to quickly show you the dashboard. So as you can see, we've got Launchpad right here. So it just has a setup guide to get started. Then we have your dashboard. So this is where your opportunity status is, your opportunity value, your conversion rate, your funnels. So this is the lead pipeline. So again, if we had actual people in here and we had, someone fill out an application, call close, whatever, and we assigned a value to them, maybe it's $2,500 for a 6-month contract, whatever it may be, it will show you the opportunity status and value, conversion rate, etc. Also stage distribution, task, and you actually can customize all of this so your dashboard shows you exactly what you want to see. Then we've got conversations, so you can actually come in here and you can add everything in here like your Instagram, your Facebook messages, everything can funnel into one place so you don't have to be looking at a million places to respond to DMs. Then we've got calendar, so this is where you can create custom calendar and links so people can book specifically maybe a strategy call, a consult call, or even a client call. Then you've got all of your contacts in here so you can see everyone that is in here, all of your opportunities. So this is where your pipelines will live, and you can actually create a bunch of different ones, but this is one that I recently created. So you can fill out application, rapport call, sales call closed, onboarding, and then maybe we add one that's like long-term follow-up or something like that. Then you've got payments. You can go ahead and connect your Stripe account or something else that you use, and then you can see all of your subscriptions, payment links, etc. They've got AI agents in here depending on what plan you set up for. Then they've got marketing, they've got emails, so you can see all your delivered, bounce, unsubscribed, spam complaints, etc. Automation, so this is where you can create custom workflows. For example, if someone fills out an application and then you automatically send them an email saying, I'm reviewing your application, the next automation sends them a booking link, etc. Then sites, which is where we're going to be in 1 second, but this is where we've got membership, so you can create a client portal, media storage. This is where you can set up a Google business profile, etc. And then here's some other reporting, so Google Ads, etc. Since we're setting up a website, we're gonna go ahead and go to the sites section. We'll go to websites. We're gonna create a new website. You can start from scratch, but just being completely honest, it is going to take you so much longer if you do that. that. They have so many different templates to choose from. So I would recommend using a template that they already have. So depending on what type of service provider you are, you can select. So here you can see there's home services, right? You can come in here and find a template that works for you. Maybe you're a health and fitness coach, so you want to do health and wellness, okay? You can also search other things like marketing agency, whatever it may be, but we're gonna go with health and wellness as an example. So let's go ahead and go to holistic nutrition. I like this one. As you can see, they've got schedule an appointment. Love it. Okay, this looks like something that would make sense with what I would want to create. Because that's the thing too, you want to make sure that you're actually choosing something that aligns with what you would be showing, right? Even if you want to change the colors, the fonts and everything, but the basic layout is what you want to look for. Okay, so here is the homepage. As you can see, we've got the hero section with, your tagline, etc. If you want to change the wording, you can just come in here and type. If you want to change any of the colors, you would come over here to styles, etc. You can change the font here. You also can select a button right here so they can easily book, and then you can add where you want it to go. So maybe it's open a pop-up and it happens to be like your calendar link, etc. Then next you want to add an about section, your services, okay? And if you wanted to add anything different, what you will do is come in here and add a section, and then you'll come in here and add row. So maybe you want 3 different columns, and then within here you can add separate elements. So maybe you want to add a headline, maybe you want to add an image or a video, whatever it may be. You can easily drag and drop in here, but it's much easier from a design perspective to come in here and find something that you already like, in that you can just come in here and edit, right? So they've got frequently asked questions, they've got the team, etc. So now we can go to the next page, which is the contact us page, okay? And again, here you can go ahead and update anything here, update the questions, of course, update the blurb right here, maybe even add in a form right here. Then you can automatically have something in here. Of course, you want to update the design a bit. Maybe we want to go to the calendar. So this is where you can book directly. Maybe you have a button right here, or maybe you even embed the calendar directly in here. So you do have to set up the calendar section. So you easily just connect your calendar and you can set up different booking pages. Like, if you want a consult call, a strategy call, or a new client call, whatever it may be, you can add that directly in here so they don't have to take as many clicks and can just directly book with you. This is a thank you page. Then here are, again, you can go ahead and edit this to be whatever you need. If you have different programs or services, whatever it may be, you can go ahead and add that. But at the very least, you want to have a home, an about, services, and contact, right? Without that, you want to make sure you have a home page so people are clear on who you are and who you serve. Then you want to make sure you have an about section so people know who you are and your story. A lot of coaches come into the coaching space because they've gone through their own personal transformation. So use that to your advantage and share your story so people can get to know you a little bit deeper. Lastly, you just want to preview it on mobile to make sure it looks good, and then move anything around that you need to. And then all you have to do is publish. One thing I want to note is you want to make sure you are on auto save so you don't lose your work, or you can manually save up here. You also can preview the site right here as well, just to see what it looks like. So now that you understand how to create your website, I just wanted to quickly show you the different plans and pricing options so you know what type of investment you're looking at. So if you click on our link in the description, they have a couple different options here. So you've got this starter and the unlimited plan. With the starter, this is just $97 per month, and you get all the tools to capture more leads, nurture and close leads into customers, full online booking, pipeline, social cow, website builder, and more. Unlimited contacts and users, add as many contacts and users you need. You also can set up sub accounts if that's the direction you're going. Then we've got the starter plan, which is $297 per month, and this is everything in the starter plan, but you get API access to integrate with anything, unlimited sub accounts, as many client accounts as you need for one price, and then the branded desktop app, so custom domains and complete control over the look and feel of the platform. I do want to mention that even though this is $97 in a month or $297 per month, it's replacing so many tools like Wix or Squarespace, Calendly, Mailchimp, Kajabi. So even though it's a premium platform, it's usually a better investment than paying for those tools separately. If you're a coach or service provider who wants a simple, scalable system, GoHighLevel is absolutely for you. You can build a professional site, capture leads, and book clients all in one place, even if you're just starting out. It gives you a clean foundation so you can grow with it. And as your business scales, GoHighLevel scales with you. You can add funnels, email automations, client tags, courses, and more without having to migrate platforms. I love learning new systems, and there are so many tools out there. But when I first started my coaching business, I had tools all over the place, and it was really frustrating to me. So that's why I love GoHighLevel, because it's everything in one place, no jumping around, and everything just feels organized having it in one place. So if you're ready to launch your coaching website or any service-based site, go ahead and use our exclusive link in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which mean we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build real side income without burning out or wasting time on strategies that don't work. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.